Well, hello, my friends. Welcome to this video. Tim Thomas here. I am trying to move me out the way. I am excited to bring to you some information about this new CREC flyer. And if you have not requested this flyer, guys, the information will be below the video. Request this flyer today and get started. Folks, you have the wind to your back. 2023 is going to be incredible. Let's talk about all of this stuff on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. I am excited and elated to bring you a presentation. I want to talk about this new CREC flyer. It's absolutely exploding. People are requesting the flyer left and right. And guys, take action today. And you can begin to move yourself into an arena unlike you have ever moved before. Great things are happening. These programs are resonating with people all over the country, and people are getting involved. And the best is yet to come. We've got ground floor opportunities that we're working with. Lend me your time for about the next 10-12 minutes, and we're going to talk about this powerful cash generating direct mail marketing system. I'll talk about the marketing system that's built around this flyer. This thing's incredible to deliver to you over and over again $500 payments on a consistent daily basis. Income disclaimer in life: nothing happens until you take action and do a lot of it. But folks, I'm going to tell you what, can you mail a flyer? Creating Real Easy Cash Club is the flyer that you want to get your hands on. If you can mail a flyer, you can win. And you can have people send you $500. And what I'm excited about it, when Jose bought me into this thing, guys, the way Greg built it, it's a residual program that we get back in residuals. Like, there are 2 people on the flyer. You bring in 4 or 5 people. Well, you have 4 or 5 people mailing their flyer, and you're being number 2 on their flyer. And every time they get a sale, you will get a sale. Folks, this is incredible. $500 to $1,000 or more per week from home is doable. Guys, these programs have just been a blessing, and I could not be more excited. Get paid $500 for every personal person that you sign up, and $500 for every personal sign up. That's incredible. One-time payment, guys. $12.49 gets you into the door, and this thing is hot. This program is clearly written. We have a website. People are going to visit the crec.club, and they're going to make an informed decision. And all you got to do is request a flyer from you. Folks, look at this. Here's an example that if you sign up just 5 members per week, let's say you get 5 people per week, you will receive a total of 2,500 new money orders sent to you in that week. If those 5 personally sign up, 5 people, you will receive 12,000 in money orders in 1 week. It's just that simple. Folks, if you're looking to earn some serious cash from home every day of the week, just join as a member today. How to join, guys? I'm going to show you how to join in just a minute. You get 1 money order payable to Timothy Thomas, 1 payable to Jose Green, and you're going to get 1 payable to CREC. And you're going to mail it into Riverview. Down here, you're going to mail it into the company, and they're going to get you off to the races. Your name, your physical address. We'll need a physical address to mail your package to, your phone number, and your email. Purchase 1 money order. Another money order for the member in position number 2. 1 for position number 1. 1 payable to CREC for $249. You're off to the races. The $249 covers your product package, which you're going to get 1,000 customized flyers. 1,000 flyers with your name and ID in position number 1. Folks, this is incredible to me. So what's going to happen every time you get a sign up? What's going to happen? They're going to get their 1,000 flyers, and you're going to be sitting right here in position number 2. This is residual income on steroids, and you're talking about big ticket overrides of $500. So every time that you bring in somebody, they're going to get 1,000 flyers, and you're going to be in number 2. Folks, this is incredible to me. I'm excited. So yes, how you get in. Now let's speak to you about the marketing system. I'm having mine worked on right now. But over at Carly can build you a capture page system, guys. And look at this. Discover a powerful direct mail marketing system that flat out works. Newbies are making $500 to $1,000 per week. Receive unlimited $500 money orders without even having a computer, folks. And when they put their name and their email address in, it's going to come over to a website looks like this. We're going to go through this video in just a minute. But and this right here, this website does a selling, telling, explaining for you. I am having my site created right now. But if you want to request a flyer, I'll get you my flyer. There is my sponsor, Jose D. Green, the man, the myth, the legend himself. And again, guys, when you click on here, you can your flyer will be right here. So we have an optional marketing system, that you can get with the CREC program. Let's watch this video, guys, and I am going to share with you the two mailing lists that I'm using. Actually, I'm using Mountain Marketing and Wilson's List. Mountain Marketing and Wilson's List. Link will be below the video for both of these. Let's watch this video, guys. Enjoy it, and I'll come back to you to close out.
Over the next few minutes is a powerful cash-generating direct mail marketing system that can have you earning an extra $500 to $1,000 or more per week from the comfort of your home. Imagine waking up every morning, going to your mailbox, and pulling out 5, 10, 20 or more envelopes, each containing a $500 money order inside made payable to you. That would be absolutely wonderful, right? Let me introduce to you our program called CREC.club. Now imagine never having to worry about bills and financial problems. Think how great it would be to know that thousands of dollars could be filling your mailbox like an ATM machine each week. Our highly responsive direct mail flyer is the core of our powerful marketing system that can be duplicated by anyone. Just mail our direct mail flyer to hot and eager prospects who are looking to make money from home. We even tell you where to get these hot names from. Our program is a simple 2-level pay structure, and the cost to get started is just $1,249. Your $1,249 startup cost is paid in 3 U.S. postal money orders only. 2 U.S. postal money orders for $500 each, and 1 U.S. postal money order for $249. No checks, cash, or credit card payments will be accepted. Take a look at the flyer that you may have received. As you can see on the flyer, there are only 2 names. You will make the first $500 money order payable to the member in position number 1. Then, you will make the second $500 money order payable to the member in position number 2. And then, you will make the $249 money order payable to CREC. This $249 covers processing and ongoing monitoring fees, and the cost of your 1,000 flyers to start. Yes, you heard correctly. You will receive 1,000 flyers to start. You will then mail the 3 money orders along with the flyer to CREC. The 2 $500 money orders will be forwarded to the members by CREC. This will eliminate anyone from cheating within the program. Your 1,000 flyers to start will already be personalized with your name and member ID in position number 1. When you begin mailing your flyers to your prospects, every time you personally enroll a new member, you will receive a $500 money order, and you will now be moved to position number 2 on their flyer. Every time your personally sponsored members enroll a new member from their flyer, you will receive another $500 money order. Here's an example. Personally enroll just 5 new members per week. You will receive a total of $2,500 in money orders per week. If your 5 personals enroll just 5 new members per week, that's a total of 25 new members. You will receive a total of $12,500 in money orders per week. This concept is what will create residual cash flow for you. What would receiving an extra $500 to $1,000 every week do for you and your family? That extra cash can pay your car payments, your mortgage payments, your utility bills, your credit card bills, you name it. Are you now starting to see how powerful and financially rewarding our program is? Think for a moment. Instead of just 5 new members, imagine how much more $500 money orders you could receive if you have personally enrolled 10, 15, or even 20 new
That's
members per
incredible,
week.
people.
And your personals does the same. Just do the math. The possibilities are unlimited. Every day, more and more people are searching for ways to earn some extra cash from home. You can now offer these people a program that can do just that for them. But first, you must take action yourself. Get back with the person who introduced you to this explosive opportunity to get signed up today as a member. Or if you already have the enrollment form, then fill in the required information needed and mail it in today. You have been given the opportunity that can financially change your life and the life of your family for the good.
Okay, guys, go back to that video again, get started, get your marketing system. People are looking for a way to grow their income. They are looking for a way that, if it makes sense, they're looking for a way that's simple, not complex, and they get big ticket commissions. And we've got a perfect solution for them. If they can mail a flyer, if we can even get this capture pay system, run traffic, solo ads, whatever you want to do, and convert traffic into sales. That's what CREC is doing for